all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be our favorite collections, Chettinad cotton collections, all going to be with blouse sari. So it's all going to be 6.2 meters. You have blouse, it's all going to be running blouse. You can either use the blouse or you can drape it along with the sari itself. All beautiful thread weave and different kind of borders and different kind of designs we have this time. Lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications from us. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is again a very beautiful 1000 butta saree in contrast combination. The border is a jacquard border with contrast. Very beautiful one. This is a lovely brinjal color with a pink color border on the contrast. Very beautiful butta weave throughout the body. Classy design. Very intricate works. And the pallu of the saree is a rich pallu. And the blouse is a running blouse for this saree. And the price of the saree is 1850. In the same 1000 butta, we have other color combination. This is a pink with a green combination. The body is completely iron butta with a green jacquard border. So this is how the saree looks. Very beautiful saree. And the pallu is again a rich jacquard pallu. And the blouse is a running blouse. And the price of this saree is 1850. The next combination is navy blue with pink. Very beautiful. So this is the saree. Very lovely color combo. Navy blue with pink. And the price of this saree is 1850. The next is a tomato pink with green. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த காம்பினேஷன்ஸ்லாம் அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கு 1000 buttas. So this is how the saree is. Beautiful color combination. And the pallu of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 1850. One more combination. It's a peacock blue with pink combination. More of a purplish violet border. This is how the saree looks. And the price of the saree is 1850. A very beautiful Chettinad cotton saree. Lovely design. In a very beautiful light fawn color with a very lovely thread border design. You could see a meenakari work and above that a temple work also. Very lovely weaving done throughout the saree. And the body is completely plain. On the other side it's a piping border. And the pallu of the saree is a plain pallu with a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of the saree is 960. In the same pattern we have some lovely color combination. This is more of a dual tone shade of yellow and green mix with a nice contrast green color border with a meenakari work in the border. Very intricate weaving this pattern is. So this is how the saree is. And the price of the saree is 960. The next color is going to be parrot green with blue combination. You could see it. Very lovely color combination. And the price of the saree is 960. Next is going to be gray with black. Stunning combination, stunning design, beautifully weaved. Lovely the saree looks. It's a plain body. The price of the saree is 960. The next is a very lovely dual tone shade of blue and yellow mix. Actually the body is, but it looks more like a gray shade when you look, with a nice contrast peacock green border in the meenakari work. Very lovely design this saree is. And the price of the saree is 960. A nice MS blue with pink color combination contrast Chettinad cotton saree. All 80s counts. Very fine quality. ரொம்ப அழகான ருத்ராட்ச பேட் and above that annapakshi border. Throughout the body we have buttas. Body ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு அந்த color. This is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is this. And the price of the saree is 1100. In the same pattern we have some nice combinations. This is a mango yellow with a nice violet color border. ரொம்ப கிளாஸியாக இருக்கும் இந்த கலர். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ரொம்ப லாங் பேக் இந்த கலர் நாங்கள் போட்டிருக்கோம். ரொம்ப ஹிட் கலர் இது. பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஷேட், very very pretty one. And the price of the saree is 1100. Next வந்து more of an ilachi green, கொஞ்சம் dark ilachi green with a pink border. So this is the saree. Body of the saree is this. A very beautiful ilachi green with pink. And the price of this saree is 1100. Next combination, nice fawn with a maroon color and black color border. Different ana border idu. Different color combination. Classy ah irukum the colors la. Bayangara traditional beautiful sarees. The price of the saree is 1100. Next is one more classy color, navy blue with pink. A nice navy blue with pink. Lovely shade. ரொம்ப beautiful ah irukku indha color. And the price of the saree is 1100. The next combination is dark green with rust, or mari dark rust shade border. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் பார்டர்ஸ், ட்ரெடிஷ்னல் கலர்ஸ். இப்போ வரலட்சுமி விரதம் வருது, அதுக்கெல்லாம் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு வாங்கிறதுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே இது ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும் இந்த சாரீஸ். பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஷேட். ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் த சாரீ இஸ் 1100. The next is going to be a nice purple with brown shade. Purple with brown. So this is how the saree looks. Nice purple with brown. And the price of the saree is 1100. The next is a very beautiful green. More of a light Rexona green. அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஷேட்ல purple border. Very ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த ருத்ராட்ச பேட். அதுக்கு மேல ஒரு அன்னபக்ஷி border. Body is like this. Nice. And the price of the saree is 1100. Next combination, yellow and green mix, dual tone shade. Body வந்து yellow and green mix with a nice dark tomato pink and the tomato pink border. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். And the price of the saree is 1100. The next is going to be a light fenugreek. வெந்தய கலரில் க்ரீன் கலர் மிக்ஸ் ஆன மாதிரி ஒரு ஷேட். அதில் நல்ல டார்க் பிங்க் பார்டர். அவ்வளோ கிளாஸியாக இருக்குது இந்த கலர்ஸ்லாம். சச் வைப்ரண்ட் பியூட்டிஃபுல் கலர்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் த பாடி ஆஃப் த சாரீ. அண்ட் த ப்ரைஸ் ஆஃப் த சாரீ இஸ் 1100. The next combination is a dark violet with pink. Nice violet with pink. This is how the saree looks. And the price of the saree is 1100. A beautiful purple color with a green combination chetnad cotton saree. Contrast border. Or mile pate design madri. Romba beautiful ana weaving. Body full of butta irukku. The bodies have buttas throughout the body. And the pallu of the saree is this. Simple pallu. And the blouse of the saree is a running blouse. And the price of the saree is 1100. In the same pattern we have some nice combinations. The next is a navy blue with a red color border. You could see a closer look of it. And throughout the body we have buttas. So this is the body. And the pallu is a simple line pallu. And the price of the saree is 1100. The next is going to be a dual tone shade, which looks more like a grey, but it's a dual tone of blue and yellow with a contrast green color border. Classy-ஆ இருக்கும், ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் இந்த காம்பினேஷன்லாம். This is how the saree looks. And the price of the saree is 1100. Next combo in the same pattern is fenugreek with green. Okay. நல்ல அழகு கான்ட்ராஸ்ட். இதெல்லாம் இதுக்கு ஒரு அழகா ஒரு கிரீன் கலர் பிளவுஸ்லாம் போட்டால் ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் பண்ணி பிளவுசஸ் போட்டால் ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் இந்த saree. Next is dark khaki color, khaki with black color border, khaki with black. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். So this is how the saree looks. Next is again a very different shade, peacock green color with pink color combination. It's a dual tone shade again with a pink color contrast border. இது எல்லாமே complete thread weave pattern. Border full-ஆவே it's completely thread weave, very intricate weavings இதெல்லாம். And the pallu of the the body has completely butta. Pallu is a simple line pallu. There's one more combination in this, a dark beige color with a black color border. Contrasting இருக்கும் இதெல்லாம். ரொம்ப இதுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து நல்ல அழகா ஒரு black ikat blouse அந்த மாதிரிலாம் போட்டா செம்மையா இருக்கும். So this is how the saree looks, and the price of this saree is 1100. A nice 1000 butta saree, lovely design, very intricate weaving. The weaving is being done by the weavers. Classy designs. These sarees are, all the sarees are 80 counts, very fine quality. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and throughout the body it's a 1000 butta saree. These kind of weaving really takes a longer time for the weavers to weave. This is the pallu of the saree. This is a navy blue, and the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse, and the price of the saree is 1380. In the same 1000 butta pattern we have another color combination. It's a black with the beige buttas. This is how the saree looks, black with beige butta, classy design, beautiful one. And the pallu is a line pallu, and the price of this saree is 1380. The next combination is a grey with black. The body is grey and the buttas are in black. 1000 butta again. Very beautiful, lovely weavings. This is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 1380. All these sarees are 6.2 meters. You have running blouse for these sarees. The next is a very beautiful wine shade with the beige butta. This is how the saree looks, and the price of the saree is 1380. This is again, the body is more of a greenish pink shade, green or pink dual tone shade with a nice pink border. அழகான thread weaving throughout the border. It's a double side border again. ரொம்ப classy-ஆ இருக்கு இந்த border. And the pallu of the saree is this with a running blouse. This is the blouse, and the price of the saree is 950. A nice grey with red combination. Beautiful saree. This is chetnad cotton in contrast border. Very beautiful border, you could see that. And the body is completely plain with small doria lines in the body. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is again a running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 950. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.